My name is Steven Jurnovoy, and I'm a consumer bankruptcy attorney practicing in the Northern District of Florida. I'm here today to tell you about a great computer program, the Tax Discharge Determinator. I became aware of this program through the National Association of Consumer Bankruptcy Attorneys. At that time, I noticed that more and more of my bankruptcy clients had significant tax issues, and I had to determine whether the taxes were dischargeable or not in the bankruptcy case. As you're aware, this specific area of the law is extremely complex, and it's easy to make a mistake. So in addition to my own studying, I thought that the Tax Discharge Determinator would be a complement to my own tax analysis. And basically, the program is my insurance against malpractice. The program really solved my problem. It's accurate, it's easy to use, it saves time, it's affordable, has great customer service, but most of all, it gives me peace of mind. I highly recommend using Tax Discharge Determinator to help with your tax issues in bankruptcy case. It probably saves me at least an hour or two on a regular tax year. If there's anything complex going on, whether it's a prior bankruptcy or maybe it's an offer and compromise, it's probably going to save me at least 2 or 3 hours for each time I use it. I really find that the biggest benefit of using it is to make sure I'm not committing malpractice. This area is really complicated, and if you're getting into a case that has maybe some offer and compromises or prior bankruptcies and some of the bigger issues, it's really difficult if you're not doing this all the time. And the program makes it pretty easy. You get the tax account and you start plugging the numbers and information, and it spits out an answer that it's correct. And if there's any question about it, you can pick up the phone and call them at the Tax Discharge Determinator, and they're always willing to help out and answer any questions. So I really find it's useful, and it just gives me peace of mind knowing that I did it right. Another major advantage of the program is I developed a new profit center doing tax discharges and the related tax work. So, for example, a lot of times, practitioners aren't charging to do the extra for the tax work. And I think it's important that you realize you can charge for this. So, whether it's $250 for each tax year you have to analyze, or $500, it's a profit center. So on top of your normal charges for bankruptcy, this is a legitimate way to make more money. The second way I found is that a lot of times people may come in and the taxes may not be discharged for another year or two, and they're going to have to wait. So you can charge them to do the tax discharge work, and then at the same time, if they have to wait a year or two, well, then let's get the IRS off the back. Let's do an installment agreement, and then you charge them to help them do the installment agreement. So it's just another way that you can make money besides your straight bankruptcy work. And I think it's important that they're going to get charged somewhere else. So why should bankruptcy lawyers make the extra money for the work we're doing? It's a complex area of the law, and not too many people know how to do it.